Hi, I'm Mariia and I'm working at ICI with Zhuldybina and Chloé. Today I will share with you the recipe how to do printed electronic sandwich. Usually, to make a sandwich for lunch, you go to Whole Foods, Walmart or Metro. Today we will go to ICI to do our printed electronic sandwich. ICI is located in Montreal. It's a collegial technology transfer center in graphic communications and printability. It supports businesses through innovation, research and training, while supporting college education. At first, you usually take a piece of bread. For printed electronics, we'll start from the paper. Secondly, let's add a slice of bacon, where for printed electronics, we'll print a conductive ink. The silver layer is printed using the industrial roll-to-roll press with flexographic printing units. At first, the ink is put in contact with analog cylinder and filling its cells. The volume is controlled by doctor blade. To understand what analogs is, imagine a honeycomb with perfectly the same volume of each comb. Then the ink is transferred on the printing plate containing the design pattern information, and the ink pattern is transferred information to the substrate. To add the lattice to our sandwich, we'll print the electric ink. Screen printing is a printing technique where a mesh is used to transfer ink onto a substrate. A squeegee is moved across the screen to fill the open mesh apertures with the ink. Open mesh apertures creates the future printed pattern. And the reverse movement makes the screen to touch the substrate along a line of contact that causes the ink to wet the substrate and be pulled out of the mesh apertures as the mesh goes back after the blade has passed. A mustard layer is printed with yellow ink using small-scale prototype for flexography printing. Now let's add to our sandwich a slice of tomato by printing magenta ink with inkjet printer. Inkjet printer is controlled directly by an image processor in digital format and can easily change and adjust the printing pattern. Here, the ink positioning is fully controlled by software. The last step is lamination, which is done in order to improve the strength and stability of the printed sandwich. The same as the top piece of bread in the sandwich to protect the other ingredients and keep its shape. Today, using a simple analogy with a sandwich, we demonstrated you a fabrication of a prototype of printed electronic device. Adding layer by layer of functional ink and using different type of printing technology, you can create a device adapted for your needs.